the whole point of my channel is to show you that things are built and that they've turned into what we see today. That is my entire premise, right? If I take a guess on sites and what they may have been, then that's what I'm doing. But I'm showing you that this was built, right? And all these darker lines are perfectly spaced the same distance, or there would be, it's just that, you know, that's like perspective. That's why they're closer, right? Now on the next image, so you can see now somebody did say that this could have been a carcass and that these will be ribs. Well, I don't think so, you know, for reasons that you're going to have to work out yourself, whether or not it is some type of ship that's upside down, and this would be the keel or something, is it? But you can see how it's built and structural, and it might have worn away, weathered away a bit there, and you know, and it's just this is all silt or ash. This is the door that you've just been looking at, and this is the oldest image that you will find on it, because this is here. This has been taken away, because I think that this middle bit is new. I think this is, you know, was done obviously in ancient times, but it's newer to what the rest of the structure is, and I'll show you why. I showed you this and I said it was structural, and it is, and you can see down there, and it's all just turned into sand from going under the ocean and being dragged on the ocean bottom. It's turned to sand. That is it there. Now whether or not this is broke off from another section or another ship, I don't know, but ships like this, if indeed it was some type of sub, I think it was just like a boat really, but you know, like how subs have got you know, like fins on the back to help them steer, so maybe this was, you know, to let water through so there wouldn't be too much drag, but I don't think it's that. I think it's broke off, you know, from somewhere else. Someone said that this door here isn't a door like I showed you. I showed you a submarine door that was oval with a lady coming through it on the original video, but it is actually rounded there at the bottom, and yes, it is touching the floor, but this is silt and mud. This floor would actually have gone down deeper, which I will show you. This cracking, what I've just shown you, I'll go back. This cracking, which is all over this, what used to be a ship, has actually been, really could only have been done by pressure, and it must have been some type of metal, steel, iron, for it to have cracked in this way, and it must have been very, very deep. Okay, so you can see the shape of it, you know, which is exactly this. Oh yeah, this bit here, I didn't mention it in the last video. Yeah, a lot of these type shifts have actually got a drive shaft, you know, the engine, right? So you've got a drive shaft that runs down the centre, probably for about a third of the length of these ships, you know, a drive shaft which drives the engine and runs down the bottom of the ship, which is what this could be. Okay. That's what the shape like, because people were saying, right, I keep forgetting what I'm doing. Yeah, these doorways are too high. Well, it's like I have to explain everything. If this ship was, because it's an upside down boat ship, you don't just walk around on this here, on, you know, on the base of the boat, on the rounded bit. This is where the flooring goes to. There will have been another floor here that's rusted and rotted away. Okay, so this door is in the perfect place. This floor is mud rock. It will have gone down deeper. Just like this. Yeah, you don't walk around on this curved bit. That, you walk on that bit there. Right, we're getting there now. So I was showing you these black lines and how they're perfectly spaced. Yeah, almost like it's built. Well, it is built. It's structural, right? These, I said, looked like leaf springs, like what I showed you earlier, that run round the edge, right? And this is actually extremely technical what they've built here. So these are the rims. Yeah, if you look at that, you can see that it's the exact same thickness as this here, as these here, right? So we get in there now. These are the leaf springs here that have since turned into what you see now, sand, limestone, I don't know, from the Great Flood. This door section here has been added, right, later, so you can forget that. These bars here and these leaf springs are original. Can you see that? It's like snapped. There will have been another bar section like that that ran all the way across and went behind this here and joined onto the next ones, because these bars run all the way the length of this entire ship. There's bars like this and leaf springs like this across the entire length. That has sprung forward when this got damaged, right? This got damaged here, that joined onto that, and that sprung forward. Okay, so these run the entire length. These leaf springs are to help it flex, yeah, or stop it flexing. Do you get me? That's what they are. That spike on top has been added. This door has all been added later. It's high technology, right? It can't be any plainer. It's the best example of ancient high technology that I've ever found.